Hey everyone, my name is Dina Falcone. I'm an herbalist, educator, the author of Foraging and Feasting and Earthly Bodies and Heavenly Hair. And what is happening right now is this weekend has been an incredible, crazy, launch. Yep, that's what's happening right now is the Healing Herbal Crafts program that I've been brewing up, creating. It's actually out there in the world and it's waiting for you. And this live has to do with sharing more about what's going on with that course, like what's it going to do for you, what's amazing about it. Also, who's out there? Maybe it would be exciting if you put in the comments where you're from. That would be really cool to see. And maybe what your favorite herb is. Write down what your favorite plant is. Okay, so let's see. By the way, I have to confess something. I don't own an iPhone. I don't even own a cell phone. So this whole thing is a little bit funny for me, and talking to you through these, it's cool. It's great. Anyway, so just saying that. Okay, so what else to share? So let's get into what Healing Herbal Crafts is about. What's so exciting about that program? It's an online digital course, just so you know, and it's a luxuriously videoed program. It's broken into modules, so there is a real depth of information that you're going to get, and I share with you in that program empowering ways to bring the plants into your life. But this is a course that has to do with topical care. So you're dealing with plants that heal from the outside in. So when dealing with injuries or skincare issues, bruising, I'm trying to think of other examples. It could even be because you learn the poultice technique, which is something that's really great to know how to use when you might even have a cough or a cold. But also, let's get into the course a little more. This is funny to do, and I'm doing it. Right? So the course is, the big fat juicy section of that course goes into detail about how to do the cornerstone recipes, I call them. You learn these techniques that are the basis for then creating powerful products, different herbal salves, herbal moisturizing creams, healing oils, facial oils, hair pomades. In this course, you learn the technique for making herbal infused oils. And again, then that's the springboard to making these other other products. Just so you know though, the moisturizing cream, the actual luxurious moisturizing cream is saved for another lesson. Sorry, I just had to tell you that in case that was a question in some of your minds. But the actual moisturizing creams are enhanced by making these herbal infused oils. What else do we get into? The technique, the master recipe for making salves and balms. So you learn how to customize these for different uses, for lips, for baby balm, for the hair, and so on. And what else to say? So we go deep. You get the little nuanced details that give you power or that empower you to do this really well. What else to share about this? And we cover two plants in that course. So they're also the superstars for the herbal healing realm, and that is the topical herbal healing realm, and that's comfrey and calendula. And what else to share? So that's the Healing Herbal Crafts new program that really should live in your herbal library so that you can reference it whenever you want to recall, remember, relearn how to make these really important products, these really important techniques and recipes. What else is happening right now is we are in the midst of a mad sale, a crazy mad sale, and that is where we have bundled with the sale of this new course my healing, Holiday Kitchen Forage, and Wild Food Health Boosters and Herbal Remedies. So those are two other nuggets that you get. There are two other awesome courses, and the Wild Food Health Boosters really goes deep into how to make your own tinctures. So it's a wonderful companion to the Healing Herbal Crafts course, which we're launching right now. And in that, you get the nuancing again. You really get into the tincture making reality with me. and that also features 2 superstar plants. Part of Wild Food Health Boosters is also to acknowledge the plants that grow at your feet. And so that's why I really bring dandelion and field garlic, 2 really common plants, into that course, so you really get to know them. But they really reflect a bigger theme that I wish to share always in my teaching, is who's growing at your feet and how can you use those plants for your well-being. And the recipes that I share in Wild Food Health Boosters with the field garlic and the dandelion, those are 2 separate lessons in there, but they have master recipes which can be used with other plants, so you're not limited to just those 2 plants. I hope that's clear. So I should share that a big thing that I like to do as an educator is to teach about master recipes. So you're looking at techniques and recipes that then help you to be creative with what you have at your fingertips. So that's the Wild Food Health Boosters. And then let's just quickly talk about what Holiday Kitchen Forage is. And that is a gem of a little course where we're talking about deliciousness primarily, engaging the plant kingdom, going out there and foraging, and bringing those into the holiday kitchen. So you make treats. You make delicious herbal treats related to the holidays, from the herbal truffle, from the burdock root chai, from the festive wild cranberry, elderberry relish. So that's just really little tastes, little morsels of what these programs are about. And yes, and I should just continue. I've got to tell you where you're going to find this information. HealingHerbalCrafts.com. So don't forget, check out HealingHerbalCrafts.com. And I would even say, if you're willing, if you'd help me out here, is to type that into your into the comments. So it's www.healingherbalcrafts.com. And what else to say? Yes, I know one last thing is this bundle that we're creating where we're selling this new class at a very low price with Holiday Kit. As a bonus, you get Holiday Kitchen Forage and you get Wild Food Health Boosters. So those 3 together are really only going to be available till Monday at midnight. So get in on the deal if you want to. I hope you want to. I think you'll feel very empowered and you will enjoy these programs. And the other thing that I'd love you to do, if you feel excited by all of this, to like this, to share it, and to tag a friend who might also appreciate this work. So thanks for joining me on these in this live moment. And I wish you peace, I wish you love, and enjoy the holidays, enjoy your time, be well.